everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 20th to 24th of October 2025 on Monday. A shocking revelation encircles Lehasa Maphosa. New details about Avi's disappearance raise more disturbing questions on Tuesday. Kwezi's attempt to bury the past takes a deadly turn. Gratitude turns into something deeper when Kwaito and Lizzie finds comfort in each other's company on Wednesday. Lehasa is troubled by someone's sudden disappearance. Kwaito is left confused by the mixed signals he receives from Lizzie. Nkosi demands answers from Kwezi about her actions on Thursday. Lehasa confronts Kwezi with the evidence linking her to an individual she claimed not to know. Pax lies to shy about his feelings for Lewatle on Friday. Peterson discovers a clue that could potentially lead him to Nkosi's criminal activities. Maputla Construction finally completes the dam project and hold a ribbon cutting ceremony. Lehasa gives Kwezi a hint that he is into her. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.